Hey there, it's Ben Housel here, and here we're going to have a look at a couple of problems that might pop up when you're trying to create your own brush preset in Adobe Photoshop. So I've set up a kind of black and white and grey image here that we're going to make our brush from. And if you're looking for a tutorial on how to make brushes, then I've left a link below. It's the first link in the description, and that shows you how to make the brushes. But we're just going to deal specifically with a couple of the problems that can pop up. So essentially, what you do when you make a brush is you obviously draw your image or select part of your photograph that you want to turn into a brush. And then we're grabbing the rectangular marquee tool up at the top left, and we can drag out our selection. And we'll go to Edit, and we should see the Define Brush Preset option available, but it's not. And basically the reason for this, we'll kind of illustrate why, is if we go to Image and Image Size, you can see that my pixel size for my image is deliberately 10,000 pixels by 8,000 pixels, just to illustrate this point. But essentially that's way too big to make a brush. Really, you want your brush to be maximum of 1,000 pixels by 1,000 pixels. And so we need to scale this down a lot. So I'm going to go to Edit, Transform and Scale. And I'm just going to scale this down. And we're going to eyeball this a little bit. So if I go to View and 100%, we can view this at 100%. And this is still quite a big image, so I'm going to scale this down a bit more. Hit Enter once I'm happy with the scale of it. I still have my selection. And if I go to Edit, now the Define Brush Preset option is available. So you can see compared to my original selection, it's much, much smaller. So if we go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, we can define our brush preset, and away we go. And then I just go to Select and Deselect, and I can start to use my brush, and we can go through all the customization and all that kind of stuff. So the next thing is, if we have our brush at the right size, and we know it is, I'm just going to take a couple steps back here. So the other time you might get an error making a brush preset is if we select a blank area of the canvas. So basically we can't make a brush when there's no difference between the kind of black and the white. So if I go to Edit and Define Brush Preset, you can see I get this error basically because the area is empty. So you can't make a brush out of an empty area of your image. So those are the main two reasons that you might have problems making a brush preset. Obviously the size is a less obvious one as you're getting used to scaling images in Photoshop and trying to think about image size and that type of thing. But definitely if you're making a brush and you're making an image specifically for a brush, then go to File, New. When you set up your image, I would go to Web and just choose one of these options, which are 1920 by 1080 is a good image size to start with. And that means that right from the get-go, you're working with an area when you actually start to draw out the pattern for your brush that is going to be closer to the size that you want. So you can see now here, if we draw kind of in the middle here, when we're defining our brush preset, we're not going to have any issues with the kind of selection because the size is going to be fine. So watch the image size when you're making a brush preset and everything should go perfectly well.